Where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So Neville Goddard tells us that whenever we manifest things, we don't even have to lift a finger. And this is because your subconscious mind tells your body what to do. So where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So if you're experiencing great things in your life, that's because you're imagining good things. Your body automatically will put you in a situation where it's good. So you don't have to stress about doing things in your screen of space, or you don't have to worry about trying to change your 3D world, because it's never going to change. So you always want to change it from the inside, from your mind. And so you don't have to lift a finger. You do not have to lift a finger. So focus on your imaginal scenes. If you're seeing something on the outside, something external that you don't like, that means it's coming from your mind. So alter your mindset, and then your outer world will change also.